think nature is all about peaceful sunsets and adorable creatures. Think again. Today, we're diving into the wild side when animals picked a fight they couldn't finish. From underestimated prey to humans fighting back, you're about to see what happens when the animals messed with the wrong opponent. Buckle up. This is going to get wild.
Okay, I must go back to grinding stone. Okay, I must go back to grinding stone.
Yeah, Richard, I've just sent you a message on WhatsApp, but it's not going through.
Elephant V's. 2 rhinos. Even they couldn't figure out who had the right of way.
Okay, Roger. Okay, Roger.
Hippos and crocs usually mind their own business unless a baby hippo is involved. Then, it's war.
Das ist kurz weg, ja. Ah, das piest noch.
Hast du was gesehen? This lion picked the wrong time to mess with cheetah cubs. That mistake? He won't repeat it. Brown bears are loners. But when they meet, the clash is brutal. Moose duels are so intense, you can hear them from miles away. Antlers crashing a true forest showdown. If you're a lion or a heron, you don't back down. Ever.
Han er katta så sulten.
Er du redd for pus, ja? Man kan sparke den, vet du. Ja.
Sometimes the greatest opponent is yourself. Watch this rooster battle his own reflection.
Hey, little buddy.
The real king of the zoo? The one who owns the blanket. This goose went from playful to ruthless and then celebrated the win. A sneak attack ends the fight before it even starts. Cats see the world differently, literally. Their lightning-fast reflexes make them dangerous to even snakes. This cat's on border patrol. No intruders allowed. You think rabbits are timid? This one chased off a snake like a true warrior. Sometimes nature glitches. Watch this food chain error in real time. This rooster is fearless. He's ready to defend the entire co-op, even against an entire flock. Defending the title, this animal champion isn't giving up his belt without a fight. Black bears are chill, but don't push your luck.
Gosh.
Two dragons face off in a battle worthy of a UFC ring. Even pro fighters would be impressed. Oh, UTRO. That's it for today's showdown in the wild. Which moment shocked you the most? Drop your favorite clip in the comments below, smash that like button if you enjoyed the chaos, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping animal encounters every week. Until next time, stay wild, stay safe.